Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to automatically delete Siri conversations on your Mac running macOS 27 Golden Gate or later. Apple lets you control how long Siri conversations are stored on your Mac, making it easier to protect your privacy. In macOS 27 Golden Gate, you can choose whether Siri conversations are deleted automatically after a certain period of time or kept indefinitely. If you prefer to minimize the amount of voice data stored on your device, changing this setting is a quick and effective way to enhance your privacy. That said, let's get started. So first you have to hit the Apple menu located at the upper left corner of the screen. After that, choose the System Settings option in the drop-down menu. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose Siri in the left sidebar. After that, you have to find the Keep Conversations option and select it. Then you can choose one of the available options. 30 days. See, conversations are automatically deleted after 30 days. This is the best choice if you prioritize privacy and want your voice interactions removed regularly. 1 year. See, conversations are stored for up to 1 year before being deleted automatically. This option offers a balance between maintaining Siri's interaction history and protecting your privacy over time. Forever. Siri conversations are written indefinitely until you manually delete them or change the retention setting. This may be useful if you want a long-term record of Siri interactions, but it also means your conversation history remains stored for much longer. Now close system settings after selecting your preferred option and you're all set. Note that your changes are saved automatically, so you don't have to bother about hitting the done button or the plus button as usual. Choosing the right retention period depends on your privacy preferences. If you rarely review past Siri interactions, 30 days is a great option for keeping your data to a minimum. And if you use Siri frequently and don't mind retaining some history, 1 year offers a good compromise. Those who want to preserve all Siri conversations can select forever, though it's a good idea to review your privacy settings periodically. Now, choose the preferred option, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.